Okay, so for another installment of What Did I Screw Up Now? So I got the carburetor all rebuilt. It's all nice and cleanish in there. But I think my idle is a little too low for doing anything really. As I'm at, what, 14 inches of vacuum? I mean, this thing sounds like a beast right now. But that's not quite right. So I'm just gonna hope I don't screw anything up too bad, and I have to climb up on the tire, so this is gonna shake. Okay. Give it a little more. Still a little too low. See how that does. Okay. Got essentially nothing out of that. So okay, I have no idea what it's going to do when I do this, but so we'll find out. Oh, that sounded a lot better than I expected. By no means would I try to put it in gear like this, because it's just going to die. But I'm pretty much maintaining about 15 now. So, definitely not good. But it's running really slow, so I'm thinking I probably don't have a vacuum leak anymore. This truck, this carburetor, this engine, I don't know what's wrong with it. I know what's wrong with that, and that's that I rebuilt it, so God only knows what's happening inside it. But it's not leaking now. It's not leaking now. I replaced the gaskets twice, finally ended up replacing the screws, so it's not leaking now, but it's not running very well either. And as you can see, I lost the little clippy for the transmission kickdown linkage, so I gotta find one of those. But I mean, carburetor's not leaking, the choke pulled all the way off, that's still a rarity. It looks a lot prettier than it did. I'm just not it's just too rich. It's just way too rich. Which the funny thing is, this is adjusted to half the amount of fuel that it was adjusted to when I got it. So I guess I'll go get my fancy bendy screwdriver that I just had to buy because of this stupid Motorcraft carburetor, and see what happens. See if I remember to make another video once I get it adjusted, or blow it up, one or the other. If I blow it up, I'll definitely make a video about it. But looks like the gauges are actually working. I mean, the fuel gauge is half a tank off, but oil pressure should be low because I'm at like 500 RPM right now. Yeah, we will see. I will try to do an update. Alright, have a good one.